Let's take a look at number 9. Okay, here. Remember, before I take any fraction to a power, I have to simplify what's in the inside. So there's plenty of simplifying to do here. Okay. I first observe the fraction, 3 over 5. I notice those numbers can't be reduced, right? So that can't be reduced. That's just going to stay at 3 over 5. And then right away, I catch, ooh, there's a negative exponent here. You know what? Let me take a whole step and just move that. Okay. Now, might you be able to just maybe like, look, in fact, you know what I'm going to do? Look, I'm going to do what I think you should do. That y to the negative 2, it's unhappy on the top. You want to move it to the bottom. Rather than take a whole nother step, let's just scribble it out and squeeze it in on the bottom, huh? Okay, we know it's unhappy up here. We're going to put it down on the bottom. Now we can simplify a little bit more in this next step. So I looked at the numbers already. 3/5 couldn't be simplified. This can be simplified, right? This is 7x's, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 3x's. This cancels, cancels, cancels. I'm left with 4x's on top. And down here, I have 5y's, right? This is 5y's being multiplied. And then, oh, that's 5y's. And then 2 more y's. So what do I have? Oh, that's 7y's down there. Okay, that's y to the 7th. And now, let's bring back. Right now, I simplified what's in the inside. Now I'm going to take everything to the 3rd power. Okay, so here, this is where you're welcome to write things out. Okay, I'm going to use my favorite strategy of not really writing it all out. 4, 5, 6, 7. But just pretending like, oh, I'm writing this out 3 times. Okay, look, I'm just going to pretend that I'm writing it out 3 times. Okay, let's see what I get. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. This is x times x times x times x, right? So that's 4x's times another 4x's times another 4x's. So that's 4x's 3 times 4 times 3, that's going to be 12x's. Okay, down here I have 5 times 5, that's 25, times another 5, that's 125. And then I have all these y's times another set of y's times another set of y's, that's 7y's, 14y's, 21y's. 7y's 3 times.